And hi everyone, Angelique speaking here. I'm really glad to be with you today. I hope you are too. I hope you're fine. Today I wanted to show you the speed build of a bedroom I did today. Basically, at the beginning I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. So I just made a rectangle, something really simple, and I added, as usually, a window, a door, and I wanted something a bit complicated, so I made this little T shape, or I don't know. As I said, I didn't know what I wanted it to do, so I made a plan just to see if everything was feeling good. So I selected the floor. It is a bedroom, so I wanted something warm, and I was thinking of a carpet, but in the SketchUp shop, nothing was really good. So I took a wood flooring, light wood flooring. And I didn't know what I wanted to do with the decoration, so I was looking for a bed, and just I checked what it was existing on the shop, on the warehouse shop, and I found that bed. Really, I thought it was a cool bed, and I get the inspiration time by time, minute after minute. So don't hesitate to follow my Instagram. You can see real life project. So it's home.st here. And obviously, if you like the content, don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be informed if I build another room, or to see every speed build. Here I was looking for a wardrobe. I didn't really know what I wanted to do here. Maybe just a shelf, maybe. I didn't know. And I couldn't find what I wanted. So the same, I just scrolled on the warehouse and I found this armchair. And this is the moment I think I started to find inspiration. So I looked up for a desk, but this one was too little, so I took this one. I think it's really important to have the right size for every object in the room, and this one is really nice. It's not too much. I took this chair. It's leather and wood, so it's exactly what I wanted to find. Here, what did I do? Yes, the wardrobe again. Because I couldn't find what I wanted, I just took a really basic wardrobe, but I turned it into wood, so it's really warm and perfect for the size of the bedroom. A big carpet to warm it all, plants now, and lights. And for the lights, I didn't want it a simple light on the top of the room, so I was searching something more interesting, and these lights, I think, are more modern. And this is the moment I turn it into wood and mirror. On the final photos we cannot see its mirror, but I couldn't do better. This is a big mirror too, a round one. And that moment, I took so much time to do it. I really wanted plants on this wall. I didn't know how to do it. And then I found this. And this is a good idea. I think it's exactly what I was looking for finally. So I did it all. I finished the room, and then when I wanted to just save it, everything crashed. Of course, I didn't save it a long time ago, so I lose everything. So I had to donate it all again, and this was because of these plants. So I changed them. So if you don't recognize them on the photos at the end, it's normal. I had to do this all again. What could be a desk without a computer? And then I found this really nice paints on the wall. This was the way to put a little bit of color in this room. But you will see at the end, I was trying to put a little bit of color on the wall, and finally I didn't like it. I kept it white, and I find it so much natural and cozy. This is simple, but this is a nice simple room. So that's it. I really hope you enjoy it. As I said, don't hesitate to subscribe if you like it, to leave a comment just below, and see you later. Bye!